Greetings. Perusing the news. But first, a sip of herb out of my cup. Merchandise coming soon. I want to create a nice piece of art for you. How do you like that one? Ramesses. I think Ramesses was the pharaoh that had the encounter with Moses in the biblical story. So, family, let's get at it. Let's see what's happening in the news. We created Perusing the News to save you time and expose you to unnecessary negativity. As you stroll, peruse the news, just stay current to see what's going on. I don't react to something you want to see. Just seeing the scroll, you might see something that you want to get back to later. I report out of 8 states and land Arby's. Family, once again, seems like the leading theme is all these layoffs. Excuse me. Arby's pulling out of 8 states. I wonder if Colorado's one. I love Arby's potato cakes. Although I just don't eat out as much as I used to for several reasons. Fast food's gotten too expensive. I don't like the turnover and the cleanliness in the restaurants. And the quality of the food in the fast food industry seem to have, I won't say deteriorated, but especially it has lessened. For instance, there French fries. You don't eat them while they're hot, you forget about it. And I think the reason for this is that they get them stale. They come in already pre-cut, and they frozen. Who knows how long they've been frozen. Right quick, family. Many of you know that I had a relation with Lance Pierre here in Pierre Supper Club here in Denver for years. And I used to see his potatoes, real potatoes. I think they were sliced, big slices, and put in a big, like a paint bucket and water. I guess it was water. I don't know what was in there. But I found out that's a technique called blanching. Man, did he have great potatoes, French fries, or whatever you want to call them. And he was world famous for his catfish. Those of you who are in Colorado, particularly Denver, know who and what I'm talking about. I don't see anything just jumping out my family at me. You might see something that you might want to come back to, but this is what I call perusing the news. 6 groceries item polls for the biggest price increase in 2026. You know, food just keep coming up. Trump, 25 million Americans will receive $250 from Donald Trump. Check eligibility. Well, finally, for giggles, let's see what this is about. Is it real or Memorex? Okay, we can get there. Okay, Tex Mogul and his wife committed to donating $2.6 billion to the Trump account. Looking for what they said Why it's the guy in crime? Why they their parents children born? Your parents gonna receive something? Okay, here we go. Today, massive 6.2 billion donation for expert kids aged 10 and younger. If that's true, excuse me. Great, because my heart family goes out. Excuse me, my heart goes out to family, parents with children. Imagine having to feed some boys. Imagine two teenage boys. I can hear my mama now telling me, son, get out of my ice box. You must have a tapeworm. For those of you who know what an ice box is. In fact, my daddy was an iceman. So he made a living. So I'm just going to stroll just a little bit more. The changes coming to American eggs and meat. I don't eat meat, but I understand that meat prices are out the roof. So let's see if we can see what's going on with the meat and eggs. Eggs seem to have come down in prices. Is that just me? I guess this has something to do with labeling and regulations, not anything to do with prices. So family, don't see anything that jumps out at me. So in the meantime, family, if you have legal questions, you have consumer questions, particularly the ones that's been bugging you, I'm still your best answer. Not your only answer, but your best answer. Be careful out there, be vigilant, and family help me grow. Share, like, comment, even complain. Give me some subjects that you might be interested in me articulating or elucidating on it. I'll be happy to do that. You see my credentials. Hope I can help you. Thanks a million.